Come on, Mom, let's go.
Di kalbo ti kayat ko, BJ di kalbo.
I don't want to get that haircut. I just want to trim.
Nakangingi na ti haircut. Kanayong ka, every week. Isungay katamon, kalbo.
Just let me get a trim. I don't want kalbo.
BJ, listen to me. You get a kalbo.
Come on, it took forever. He's waiting.
Okay, what's the cut for today?
I just want to trim.
No, sir. Sir, can you get him kalbo?
What?
Kalbo, baskat,
No,
that one.
not kalbo.
So that, BJ, you listen. It's better if it's kalbo.
Just a
You
trim,
look
bro.
pogi with
Just a
kalbo. Sir, don't listen to him. He doesn't know what he wants. You kalbo.
A few moments later.
Wow, I love it. Oh my gosh.
It's your fault. I don't like
It looks good on you. What you mean? That's kalbo for you right there. Oh my god, amazing. Hey, don't blame me. It's
That's
nice.
why.
Hey, you look pogi like that one.
I don't want to go out anymore.